Okay, today guys, I'm going to do something. Um, this is the very first time na gagawin ko para sa anak ko na to. Iiwanan siya namin dito sa bahay na mayroon siyang task na gagawin kasi kami ay magdi-deliver ng mga chemicals from here. Pipick upin namin sa unahan pa ng Mandawi and then ihahatid namin somewhere in Lapu-Lapu. So, pupunta kami doon sa sa Robinsons and sa Ayala. So, magde-deliver kami. Try namin na iwanan siya dito sa bahay. Actually, inuunti-unti ko siya kasi na matututo kung paano niya alagaan sarili niya at the same time kung paano siya magbe-behave, kung susunod ba siya sa instruction na gagawin na ibibigay namin sa kanya. So, ito yon. Okay, Hill.
Tadpole.
My son is not calling me mommy or mama. It's Tadpole. My instruction, of course. Today, Beatles and I and Kuya Janjan is going somewhere. You look at me, please. We are going far. We are going to Lapu-Lapu. We are going to pick up the chemicals and then we deliver to places. So you're gonna stay at home by yourself.
Need to wake up the Beatles. Need to go again.
No. It's not. I just tell you. So, we are going. So you're gonna stay at home and then you study. Okay?
Okay.
Look at me. We are going to deliver the chemicals. So, I have to help Kuya Janjan. Okay?
Okay.
So, you're gonna stay home and do your homework. Your teacher send you the module, that one. And, you don't let any stranger to come into our house. The doors stay closed but not locked. But the fence is locked. And you just do your homework, your module. I will call you from time to time. And then, in case of emergency, you have to call me. You know how to call Beatles and me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You know our messenger name? Do you know or not?
Yes.
Okay, good job. And then, if, let's say, there is a fire, like you can hear the noise, very noisy outside, or there is a fire, you have to see outside what is going on. If there is really a fire or what, you have to run out faster from the house. And then you can stay in front there on the store. Okay? If, like for example, there is a fire somewhere. Okay? You have to run out quickly. If the people shouting like, there's a fire, sunog, like that. You have to run out from the house also. Don't get yourself burned. Okay?
Okay.
And also, you're not allowed to touch any like electricity or either you don't have to cook, right, because there is a food. Okay?
Okay.
If you are alone here, you are not allowed to cook. Okay?
Okay.
You wait until mama come. Mama will come no matter what. Mama won't let you hungry. Okay?
Okay.
Before also I go, I always leave the food. Correct or not?
Correct.
Because I won't allow you to cook for yourself when you were alone here because it's quite dangerous. Do you understand?
Understand.
So, in case there is a fire, what are you going to do? What are you going to do if there is a fire?
Pour the water into the fire. Or fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher. But there is no fire extinguisher. How?
Use the water.
Use the water. Okay, okay. But if the fire here already, the big fire, what are you going to do?
Need to splash the water.
No, you cannot splash already because you have no string and also too big fire. What are you going to do?
Well,
You stay away from the fire. You have to run out from the house. Okay?
away from the fire.
And then ask help from people.
The firemen only.
Firemen only.
By the fire extinguisher.
Kiss mo, mama. Kiss mo, mama. Ang galing talaga ng anak ko sumagot. Okay. And then, you have to do your very best to survive. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you're gonna stay home, and if you alone, you have to take care of yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Just do your things. Understand?
Understand.
Good job, good boy. And then you can have a prize, right? Good boy ah. So guys, nandito na kami sa labas. Pupunta na kami doon sa isang warehouse na kung saan pipick upin namin ang mga chemicals, and then pagkatapos i-deliver din. Pero guys, medyo malayo-layo talaga, lalo na medyo maabutan ka pa ng traffic, o 'di ba? Pero ito na kami. Nandito na kami sa labas ng warehouse. O ayan. Sa daming mga galon-galon na 'yan na talagang i-deliver. Yun naman kasi, kung kaya lang naman ng puting sasakyan na ito na kargahan, so ito na lang gagamitin kaysa na magre-rent pa ng malaking sasakyan o ibang sasakyan. So, ayun, pupunta na kami doon sa aming deliveran. Medyo malayo yun guys kasi palapu-lapo yun eh. Ayan, kita nyo naman, nandito na kami, paakyat na kami dito sa bridge, na mahabang bridge.
Ang bigat ng dala. Kaya, dandahan lang tayo.
Akala nga niya ay hindi kakayanin kasi medyo mataas masyado at mahaba sa bigat kasi ng dala.
Oo, di ba? Kaya. Dito na tayo, pababa na tayo. Bakit hindi tayo dumaan doon sa kabilang bridge?
Layo na po yan.
Layo.
Dito na nalagay.
Na
akin. Atong naglakayan, deliver na mo dyan.
Sila ka mo ka nag-age.
Oo.
So, nakalampas din kami dito sa bridge na to na papuntang Lapu-Lapu. Pasok na kami. Ay, nako. Nandito na kami sa Aboitiz Company. Yon, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda naman dito sa ano na to, sa likod ng kumpanya kasi ang lawak ng ano na to, seaside na to dito. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Tumutulong ako sa pagbubuhat kasi yung mga tao na yun kaninang nagbuhat ay dun lang yun sa isang company na kung saan pinick up namin. Dito, mano-mano na kami. So, pabalik na kami guys. Ayan, tatawagan ko itong aking anak, kakamustahin ko kung ano na ang nangyayari sa kanya. Medyo busy kanina.
How is it? You still continue? Okay. Okay, you drink water here. You drink water because the weather is hot. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, if you're hungry or not? You hungry or not? Oh, okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, narinig nyo naman guys ang conversation namin. Talaga naman good boy ang anak
Need to
ko.
continue daw, sabi niya. Kumaya-mayain ko yan, magagalit talaga yan. Sabi na, why you always call? Kagaya kagabi, sabi niya, why did you delete the settings?
So, this time guys, dito na naman kami papunta sa Ayala. Ang ganda dito ng mga building, no? Malayo ka pa lang, kitang-kita mo na, oh. Kasi nga, hindi dikit-dikit. Pasok na kami ngayon dito sa car park.
Ako na din.
Oh my God, ang laki-laki ng car park ng Ayala dito sa Cebu. Grabe. At maliligaw-ligaw ka talaga. So, no choice kami yung mga natira. Yan ang i-deliver namin dito. Tapos na kami dito. Check ulit ang isa.
Kamustahin natin ano na kayo nangyayari doon. Ha? How are you? You want to see
Nako,
outside?
talaga naman.
Okay.
Diliman pa.
There.
Tingnan niya yung mga building daw sa labas.
See now? Can see already? Ayan. You can see?
There is no earthquake.
There
There's
is
no
no earthquake daw kasi nakita niya yung mga building
Yeah, there is no
na okay
earthquake.
lang.
There's no earthquake here. Iniisip niya siguro baka sira dito. There is no earthquake. All the buildings are okay here, are fine. Okay? See, the buildings are fine. See? Yan. Ah?
Naku, pati tallest building
The
gusto
tallest
pang
building?
makita.
There. The
Naku,
tallest
naninigurado lang yan na okay talaga ang area na to.
building. See the tallest building? Another one building there. The design is like peninsula. Yan.
Hindi na mo lihat ka dong?
Ah?
Dito ko tundo sa inyo dong.
What?
Ha?
Yeah, on Sunday. Yeah, we are going to to Sunday. You need to finish all your tests first, okay? Because we are going to the beach. So how are you there? How are you there? Are you finished na yet? Are you going to finish or not?
balik-balik pa 3,550.
You're still continue? Maybe you're hungry or not? You eat, ha? If you're hungry, Okay. Okay. You must see the time, ha? 12 o'clock already. You eat your lunch. Okay? Okay, baby. 12 o'clock already. Must eat your lunch. Okay? Pinatayan na ako agad.
Pauwi na kami, hindi alam ng anak ko. Gusto pa naman ni Ruhil, sa gabi na daw ako uuwi. Ano kayang gagawin ni Ruhil? You come back home at night. Kinukontrata ako ni Ruhil eh. Okay, so guys, ito na yung ano ni Ruhil kanina, na iniwanan namin siya dito sa bahay. Ito yung ginawa niya, yan. So may kinopya siya dito, and then sinagutan niya dito. So wala ako sa tabi niya, walang nag-guide sa kanya about sa ano niya dito. At usually guys, hindi ko talaga siya pinapakialaman kasi gusto ko malaman if he is really willing to answer, to copy, to follow the instructions that I has given to him. Ngayon, chinay ko ito dito kasi andito yon. Yan. Okay? Yan. Ay, ika nga. Yan. Ayan, kita nyo dyan. How? Cannot see? Cannot see? Why? How to see? How to see the ano? No. Because too bright. No. Oh, okay. Ang galing ng anak ko nito. Ang galing ng anak ko. Yan. So, ito yung sinagutan niya. Marami pa yan, guys. Sa letter C niya, ang number 3, ang letter C dito ay, because they can offer guidance and understanding. Wow! Very good talaga si Ruhil sa bagay. Sa akin kasi, alam niya kung paano niya sagot. What did you do this morning?
It's hard of the continuance.
Okay. Ibig sabihin nun, nahirapan daw siya sa iba, kaya i-continue. Ibig sabihin yun, ginawa niya yun, pero hindi pa tapos. At least guys, ang instruction ko sa kanya, don't ever go out. Just stay inside and focus and do your homework. Copy on the notebook and answer the test, the question. The test that the teachers sent to his messenger. So, pagdating ko dito, sarado yung pintuan. Andun na siya actually sa kwarto ko kasi parang siguro na boring o ano, so nanonood siya ng ng kwarto. May paborito kasi siya na pinapanood na sa YouTube. Yun ay about cars. Yan. And then guys, alam mo nyo ba kung ano pang ginawa ng anak ko? Pakita ko to sa inyo ha. I discovered it kasi nga nakita ko sa Facebook ko. He did something to relax his mind, I think. Yung ginawa ng anak ko. What did you do today? I found out something. Yan. Yan ang ginawa ng anak ko. Nag-edit ng picture na, ay hindi, gumawa pala siya ng, what is this? What's
The
this?
grow a garden.
He grows a garden. He created a garden here on this phone and then he posted on his account. Yan. Kaya ko nalaman na may ginawa siya kasi dito, nakita ko. Yan. How did you do this? So, he made this garden. Tingnan nyo guys, yan. Garden niya. Yan. Design siya ng ganito at pinost niya sa Facebook niya. Yon. Pero at least, kaya ko na siya palang iwanan. Pero hindi ganun ha. Ito lang yung masasabi ko sa mga parents na may anak na autism or ADHD or any disabilities, no? Kung ginawa ko to sa anak ko, dahil ako ay nakikiramdam din, hindi fully confidence ako na iwanan siya. I still have to monitor him from time to time na make sure na nandito siya sa bahay, make sure na online, make sure na every time natawag ako, nandito lang siya sa bahay, na kung saan lang siyang spot. Yan. Pero at least, may ginagawa siya na maano niya ang sarili niya. Pero it is not really safe and good na iwanan sila most of the time or every day. Hindi natin pwedeng gawin yan. Kasi nga, may tendencies pa rin na baka mag-isip na aalis, pupunta sa ganitong lugar. Kaya, hindi pa rin siya talaga safe. Ang ginawa ko lang, just try lang kung ano ang ang kaya pa ng anak ko. Pero, nandun guys ang worry. I sacrifice that feelings of being worry. Kasi nga, baka biglang mag-twist ang mind or worry din na baka there's something bad happen, 'di ba? Magiging kasalanan ko talaga. So, hindi ko kayo guys ini-encourage na gagayahin nyo, gagawin nyo ito, kasi depende pa rin yun sa status ng anak nyo. Hindi porket na nasa ganito na silang edad, marunong na silang magbasa, marunong na magsalita, pwede nyong iwanan anytime. We can't do that. Kakambal ko ang pag-aalala, kakambal ko pa rin ang lahat na feelings na yan. Every time na may gagawin ako na wala sa tabi ang anak ko. Yon. So, pero at least guys, na try ko ito. Pero I am not encouraging myself na dahil ginawa ko ito ngayong araw, pwede ko nang ulit-ulitin, pwede ko nang gawin. Hindi pa rin yun. I have to control myself and I have to discipline myself as well. And at the same time, I have to observe more to my son's behavior. Diba? So, I hope na meron kayong napulot na aral. Okay.